Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. The value of NFT revolves around the non-fungible nature of the digital asset, which is the feature that sets them apart from cryptocurrencies. And NFT and cryptocurrencies are not the same thing. Each NFT has its own unique set of attributes, size, scarcity, character, and therefore cannot be interchanged with another asset. On the contrary, Bitcoin or BTC is a fungible asset. If you are fortunate enough to own one BTC and you exchange it for another one BTC, nothing has changed. You still have the same amount of Bitcoin to use or hold on. The same holds true for fiat currencies such as the US dollar or the euro. Another example of fungible asset, $1 or euro note is interchangeable with any other dollar or euro note regardless of characteristics such as the serial number or whether you have got the note in your pocket or a bank account. Where you get into a gray area is if you have a coin that's considered to be a collector item, in which case the item fits the bill item. Another real-world example is baseball cards, which are more closely related to non-fungible tokens, considering one card is not equal to another. Incidentally, the concept of non-fungible token is not lost on Major League Baseball, the National Basketball Association, and other sporting organizations, individual teams, and athletes. How much are NFT worth? In theory, anyone can token their work and sell it as an NFT, but recent headlines about multi-million dollars purchases have piqued attention. For instance, Grimes sold some of her digital painting for more than $6 million. Art is not the only thing that is tokenized and sold, with bids raising $2 million. Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey sponsored an NFT and the first ever tweet. Sorare, a French company that offers football trading cards in the form of NFT, but as with cryptocurrencies, they are concerned regarding the NFT environmental impact. When a transaction occurs in Ethereum, the wallet starting that process must pay what known as a gas fee to the miners for their work. The problem with non-fungible tokens on the Ethereum blockchain is that it's an expensive network, and this gas fees can reach unreasonable high number when the demand to make transaction is high. The high prices are a function of the popularity of NFT coupled with the lack of scalability of the current version of the Ethereum blockchain. This scalability issue is poised to change of the project move from the proof of work consensus algorithm to proof of stake in what is known as the shift to Ethereum. Until then, token creators have to decide whether the lofty fees are worth it or if they should give another blockchain a try or abandon NFT altogether. Blockchains are the critical infrastructure underlying cryptocurrencies. The common feature of this distributed ledger is the string of a cryptographically secure variable transaction record among a network of peers, all operating under a certain set of rules enforced through the software itself. This record is owned and operated in common by anyone anywhere. While research in shared ledger technology goes back decades, the arrival of the Bitcoin blockchain introduced the first distributed ledger technology that was strongly decentralized and resistant to censorship, seizure, and collusion. Blockchain technology in its various transportation, including the Ethereum blockchain and others, is ultimately a global consensus system. It allows people to coordinate a natural source of information without trusting each other or a central administrator. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.